Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get ODECK'S Protector Helm in Crimson Desert. Now my current location on the map right now is right next to the Hexy Sanctuary or just on top of the Den River. If I scroll out a little bit, you can find me all the way over here to the north of Demonis, or just over here to the southwest of Tashkelp. Just try to find the Den River here as your landmark to get to this location. Now before you go further into the video, I would like to tell you this in advance, that you can't get this helm before chapter 9. Because once you reach this area and you're not at chapter 9 yet, you're going to be ejected outside of the Den River, somewhere around these areas right over here. So unless you reach chapter 9 and done a few bit of the main quest, you can get to this location. Now on the Abyss Nexus right over here, there's going to be an entrance to a cave right over here, where you have to use a focused force palm for you to get inside. Just go into focus mode, press whatever button it is for the focused force palm, and there are 2 orbs in here that you have to destroy. There's one right there, and another one here at the top. Never mind, there's actually 3 inside, so you just have to do the other one right here, which is a little bit further back. There we go. And you can also store these inside the cuckoo pot as well. And now just make your way inside, and then you can find the chest over here. And there you go, you got the ODECK'S Protector Plate Helm. Now for the stats of the helm, it's at Defense 8, a Refinement of level 3, and an Abyss Gear of Defense 3. And this is what the helm would look like on a cliff. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the ODECK'S Protector Plate Helm in Crimson Desert.